Hi, my name is Jordan Mullings from Learn to Ride JA. I just want to share some tips with all you riders. First thing is mentorship and guidance. Guys, we need to think about who our influences are around us. Right? We need proper influences and we need to try and influence people properly. Right? So group riding mentality, you need to basically know where you're going, the destination, before riding out, so you can take your time, right? It's all about influence. Who is influencing us? Who are we influencing, right? So just want to tell you guys to think about all of these things when you're riding, right? The group ride mentality, that pack mentality, we need to take care and think about safety. At the end of the day, we all want to get where we're going safely. So that's what's important to me. All right, guys, have a good one. Stay safe.